Welcome friends. This video is only for plus 2 second year science students, and this video belongs to problems on electrostatics on the first chapter of the physics of your physics books. Here the problem is given: the force between two electrons placed in air is equal to 0.5 times the weight of an electron. Find the distance between two electrons. Here mass of electron we know 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Then acceleration due to gravity, g is equal to 10 meter per second square, and electrostatics constant k is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. We know this formula, we know from Coulomb's law, and the force is given 0.5 times the weight of an electron. So F is equal to 0.5 into mass of electron into acceleration due to gravity. By multiplied we get the weight of the force. Okay, so of any quantity, if we multiply the acceleration due to gravity with mass, we get the weight of that quantity. Okay, then the charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, here the question asks us to find the distance between two electrons. Here we have to get the R is equal to what? Okay, from Coulomb's law we know F is equal to k square upon R square, and here the given F is equal to 0.5 times the weight of an electron. Okay, then F is equal to 0.5 into mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 19 minus 31 minus 31, and acceleration due to gravity 10 is equal to 5 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 Newton. It is equation 1 and equation 2. From equating equation 1 and 2 we get 5 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 is equal to k square upon R square. Here the value of k 9 into 10 to the power 9, given 9 into 10 to the power 9 into the charge on electron 1.6 whole square into 10 to the power minus 19 whole square upon R square, implies that R square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 square into 10 to the power minus 38 upon 5 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. 9.1 is nearly equal to 9, then it will be cancelled. Okay, is equal to, here 1.6 का whole square 31 38 cancelled minus 7. Okay, into 10 to the power minus 9 and minus 7, 2 divided by 5, implies that R is equal to 1.6 का whole square upon 5 into 10 to the power 2 whole root over, then 1.6 divided by root 5 into 10, multiply root 5. Okay, then 1.6 into root 5 into 10 divided by 5, root 5 5. Okay, 5 10 cancel 2. Okay, here we know that root 5 is equal to 2.23. Okay, then 1.6 into 2.23 into 2, by calculate we get 1.6 into 2.23 into 2 is equal to 7.136 is nearly equal to 7.2 meter. Here we get r is equal to 7.2 meter. Okay. Here the second problem is given. Calculate the resultant electric field at the center of a square ABCD. We have to draw a square A, B, C and D. Calculate the resultant electric field at the center of the square. So we have to draw a diagonal, two diagonals. Center is this O, okay, of side A meter. The distance is A meter. Okay. If the charges placed at A, B, C, D sequentially are Q, 2Q, minus 4Q, 2Q. Okay. A, Q, and B, 2Q, C, minus 4Q, D, 2Q. Okay. So here the same sign are given. 2Q and 2Q are the same charge, plus charge and plus charge. So the same charge does not attract. Same charge always distract each other or interact each other. So they will repulsive each other. So 2Q and 2Q are cancelled. Then we have to calculate this resultant force. It will be upward for and it will be outward for. Okay. So here the electric field, the direction of electric field will be towards the negative charge. So the direction is towards the negative charge. Here the negative charge is given and plus charge is given. Then the direction of the electric field is towards the negative charge. Okay. Then we have to calculate. We know EB is equal to ED and are opposite charges. So they will be cancelled. Okay. So E net force is equal to EA plus EC. Okay. Is equal to EA KQ upon R square plus EC KQ upon R square is equal to KQ EA. A is equal to Q, then Q upon R square. R here R is equal to A by root 2. R is equal to A by root 2. We know the diagonal. If the side are given, then the diagonal are root 2A, then A by root 2 whole square plus KQ. Q is given 4Q. Then the sign will not be used because we have to calculate the electric field. The sign will not be used. Okay. Then KQ upon A by root 2 whole square. Okay. Is equal to KQ upon A square by 2. A square by 2 plus K minus 4Q. No. Minus 4Q. A square upon 2. Okay. Then is equal to 2KQ. Here multiplied 2 is multiplied here. 2KQ upon A square plus 8KQ upon A square. Okay. Is equal to A square 2KQ and 8KQ is equal to 10KQ. Okay. So we find E net is equal to 10KQ upon R square, A square. Okay. Here the third problem is given. Calculate the resultant electric field at the center of a square. We have to draw a square. That problem is not belongs to this problem. All are different. Okay, A B C D. Okay, square is given A B C D. Then at the center of a square ABCD of side 0.2 meter, 0.2 meter. If the charges placed at ABCD are A 15 star microcoulomb, B minus 50 microcoulomb, C 20 microcoulomb, D minus 15 microcoulomb. Okay, so okay, then the diagonals will be the center. We have to calculate the resultant electric field at the center, so we have to draw two diagonals in order to calculate the resultant electric force on O. Here this charge all are same, but the magnitude of the charges are different, so here the forces will be towards them. Okay, then we have to find here the diagonals A B C D. Okay, the diagonals here OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Then we have to calculate the diagonal AC is equal to root 2A root 2 into A 0.2. Okay, then OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to C is equal to OD is equal to 0.2 into root 2 divided by 2. Okay, root 2 cancelled root 2. Okay, so here we get OA is equal to 0.2 divided by root 2. Okay, then F1, first we have to calculate force 1 due to charge D, charge C. Okay, then K upon into 20 microcoulomb divided by 0.1. sorry 2 is cancelled here, 0.1 root 2 will be same, 2 is cancelled, 0.2 is equal to 0.1, sorry 0.1 into root 2, 0.1 into root 2 upon whole square. Okay, F2 is equal to K into 15 microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2 whole square. F3 is equal to K into 50 start coulomb microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2 whole square. F4 K into 15 microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2 whole square. All magnitudes are given. Okay, so here we have to draw another square. Okay, then here the net force is towards this direction, and another net force is in this direction. Okay, we have to name this is F2 net, F1 net. Okay, then the another quantity which will act in this direction due to this net force and this net force, another quantity is act in this direction, that is tensor quantity. Okay, here the tensor quantity F1 net is equal to F1 minus F2, F1 minus F2 is equal to F1 K into F1 minus F2 20 minus 15 5 microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2. All denominators are same, so numerator is subtracted. Okay, then f2 net is equal to f3 minus f4 is equal to k into 35 microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2 whole square. Okay, then sorry this page. Okay, so 35 is given, so F net force is equal to F1 net square plus F2 net square whole root over. Okay, so F1 net is found k into 5 microcoulomb divided by 0.1 into root 2 whole square, and F2 net is given this, so all are whole square. Then 5k into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 whole square plus 35k into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 whole square whole root over. Okay, then 5k into 10 to the power minus 4 by 2 whole square is common, then 1 plus 7 square, this is common, and this will be remainder, then a whole square whole root over. Then 5k into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, into root over of 7 square 49 plus 1 50 root 50. Okay, is equal to 5k into 5k is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to, let it to be by 2 5 root 2 is cancelled root 2. Okay, and then we have to put the value of k, 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 1. Here the value of root 2 is 1.4, we have to get 1.4. Okay, into 5 is equal to 5 25 into 9 225 into 10 to the power 9 minus 4 10 to the power 5 divided by 1.4. Here 225 upon 14 1 14, then 6 8 85. Okay, 6 70 7 84 1 84 1. Okay, sorry 160 84 1. Here 1.6 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per coulomb. Okay, here the another problem is, here the charges are distributed in a circle like a watch 12q. Whenever we see a watch like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 12, then like this, like a watch, here the charges are distributed along the surface on the circle. Then here we have to calculate the net electric field and the direction of electric field at the center C. Okay, C. We have to draw a diagram. Here 12q 9q 6q 3q 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. Okay, the center is C. Okay, here the electric force due to opposite same force, same sign force, same sign charges are like here 12q and 6q, same sign and opposite charges, then 6q will be act along 12q and 12q is act 6q, like this 3q and 9q, then 1q and 7q, 2q and 8q, then 4q and 11q, 5q and 10q. Okay, okay, then the resultant electric force, okay, a resultant electric force or F net is equal to E. Okay, here we have to distribute 12 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. Here those are opposite and same sign forces, then 6E. 7 minus 1 6E, 8 minus 2 6E, 11 minus 5 6E. Okay, we know that. What we know that? What we know? What we know? No, we know if the vector, two vectors are made angle between each is 60 degree, each 60 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. Yeah, if the two resultant electric field, okay, the resultant electric field is F net is equal to root 3F. Okay, if the angle between two vectors will be 120 degree, then the F net is equal to F. Okay, here we also know if a circle, the angle of a circle is 36 degree, here the distributed 12 1 2 3. Okay, this 90 degree, this 30 30 30, all are same, 30 30 30. So we have to again draw a diagram, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, then the center is here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it is 6E, all are 6E. We have calculated 6E. Okay, 30 degree, it is also 30 degree, it is also 30 degree, it is also 30 degree. Okay, so we have to select this and this. Okay, 2 and 4. Okay, the angle between 2 and 4 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. The resultant force will be root 3F. Root 3F is equal to root 3 into 6E. Okay, then we have to calculate 1 and 5. Then the resultant electric force is F is equal to 6E, or 1 into 6E. Okay, then another page. Okay, other electric force, other electric forces, which are still now calculated are what? 3 and 6. Okay, along with 3 and 6. Okay, here 6e and here 6e, and added 6 root 3e, then added 6e. Okay, then here added, this will be added. Okay, so it is 6e. Okay, and here 12e, 6e, 6e, 12e plus 6 root 3e. Okay, okay, then E net is equal to 6e whole square plus 6e into, here common 6e, common is 2 plus root 3. Okay, whole square root over. Net electric force is this one is whole square and this one is whole square, all are root over. Then 6e ka whole square root over plus 6e into 2 plus root 3 whole square root over. Then I have to common 6e whole square plus 1 plus 2 plus root 3 whole square. Okay, all are root over. Then 6e come out, 1 plus 4 root 3 plus 3 whole square is equal to 6e root over 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 4 root 3. 6e, 4 is common. Okay, 2 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 6e into 4 come out, 2 into root over of 2 plus root 3. Here we get E net. Then asks direction. Okay, direction, we have to find direction. Okay, then I have to calculate in this direction, in this direction, and this direction. We have not calculated this magnitude and this magnitude, so we have to calculate the direction in this process. Then the resultant electric force will be theta. We have to calculate the direction, and direction of two vectors are tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 6e by 6e into 2 root over of 2 plus root 3. 6e cancelled out. Then 1 by 2 into root over of 2 plus root 3. Okay, then implies that theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 into root over of 2 plus root 3. Okay, thank you. So never give up. Always, if you fail, you know what is the full form fail. First attempt in learning. Okay, never give up. Never.